Hello, everyone. My name is Ahmad, and we're back to learning vocabularies. And this today we're talking about countries, nationalities, and languages from the English vocabulary in use upper intermediate level. So it's a really useful lesson if you don't want to make mistakes in your like tests like IELTS with the nationalities and country names and whatnot. And also, you want to be just respectful and refer to these people correctly in English language, right? So we got some countries that has the Z article, and these include the United States, the UK, the Netherlands, the Philippines, the United Arab Emirates, the European Union, the Commonwealth. And if you like are wondering what is this Commonwealth, let's take a look at it. So, and like if you Google here, it says that these are the countries. It's like UK, like United Nations, but it's like 56 independent nations, mostly former British Empire territories, totaling to 2.7 million people, and it has got the states and whatnot. So these are, I guess, countries that has recently joined. These are other countries, and yeah. So that's it. Let's go back to lesson anyway. So we got now. Let's talk about people, nationality, and languages. So we have countries with the ish suffix, and it's British, Irish, Flemish, Polish, Danish, Turkish, Spanish, and I like to know Flemish, which country, right? Like it is interesting to me, to be honest. Flemish is a Dutch-speaking northern region of Belgium, known as Flanders. Ah, so it's in Belgium, all right, Belgium. Sorry, it's not a separate country, but a community of 6.5 who make up roughly 6. Oh, so they make a huge part, right? More than a half of Belgium in North Flemish, a variety of Dutch. So it's a type of Dutch language. And we got here IAN suffix countries like Canadian, Brazilian, Latvian, Korean, Russian, Australian, and we got the East countries like Japanese, Chinese, Vietnamese, Portuguese, Maltese, Taiwanese, and Israeli, Iraqi, Kuwaiti, Pakistani, Yemeni, Bangladeshi, Uzbekistani, you know. And we got also with Icelandic, Arabic, Slavonic, and we got some exceptions here like Swiss and Thai and Greek and Dutch and Cypriot, I guess, and I guess Maltese is like should be Malta, but is it like which I don't know, is it a country or is it a is it now? Oh, so there is an official country of Malta. I didn't know that. So you see, you live and learn. So this is a Malta, and it's situated where? I guess it's the north part of Europe. Here we got here, and we got the Russia. Oh, no, 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 we don't have it here. I haven't like kind of found it, but it should be maybe Maltese on a map. I'm just together learning with you. Huh? So it is over here. So we got yeah, I guess it's under the Italy, right? So here we got Mediterranean Sea. So there's Malta, I guess. Yeah, good, nice. Now let's go back to learning. We got some nationalities, and we got here, as you can see, a Finn, a Swede, a Turk, a Spaniard, a Dane, a Briton, an Arab, and a Pole. Probably for Poland, that should stand right here. Poland, yes. And we also got some other like nations that usually cannot be used as a noun, so they need their own noun, like Dutchman, French woman, Irish person, Icelandic man. But usually it's possible just to say a Catalan, a Greek, and whatnot. And here are the names of world regions, as the world is divided into a lot of regions. And this might be also another reason there's a lot of wars because we have a lot. There's a lot of division than unity. So we got Europe, Asia, North America, Central Africa, Central America, and South America, obviously, Australia. But we also have a lot of things here like Scandinavia, Europe, Mediterranean, and North Africa, the Middle East, and Atlantic, is us also Southern Africa. And we have here probably the most number of wars over here. Yeah, obviously because of some, countries. Here we got the Far East and the East Asia and the Pacific. And we got some regional groups and ethnic groups. Ethnic groups are like African or Caribbean, Asian, Latin American, North African, Scandinavian, European, or Arabic, and they can be used as nouns and adjectives. Many Europeans enjoy traveling to the Far East to experience Asian cultures. I saw myself some, countries like some Finns, so that was interesting. And usually, everyone has their native language and or first language, and we speak dialects as well as languages. Dialects can be a different form of a language. Sometimes we call it mother tongue, and some people speak two or three languages. So when that happens, we can call them like bilingual or multilingual. People who know only one language are monolingual. And we got here some questions. So here you can fill out this about yourself, and here are some questions as well. You could complete, like, for example, here it's not Maltese, it's Maltese, right? Iraqi, not Iraqian, or some more exercise over here. You can pause the video and do it. Thanks for joining and have a good day.